Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to Crypto Made Easy YouTube channel. Before we dive into the video, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. So now today we'll be talking about the necessary things a beginner needs to know before starting his or her journey into cryptocurrency. Before stepping into the world of cryptocurrency, it's important for a beginner to understand several keywords. 1. Understand what cryptocurrency is. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency are digital or visual currency that use cryptography for security and operate on a decentralized network based on blockchain technology. This simply means that cryptocurrency uses cryptography as security and operates on a blockchain technology. It solves an intermediary problem between the sender and the receiver. Next, learn the basic. Familiarize yourself with the basic concepts such as blockchain, wallets, exchanges, and the difference between various cryptocurrencies. This means that you need to know about exchange, you need to know about wallets, and the difference between cryptocurrency, and also know the terms used in crypto space. Point 3. Know the risk. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and the price can change widely. Be aware of the risk and never to invest more than you can afford to lose. This just means you need to risk what you can afford to lose because the market is very risky and highly volatile. It can change at any time. Point 4. Secure your investment. Learn about secure wallets and how to protect your crypto assets from theft and hacking. This just means that you need to learn how to secure your wallet. You need to learn how to secure your 12 phrase, your wallet ID, your two-factor authentication to avoid theft or hacking. 5. Research thoroughly. Before investing, research the cryptocurrency you are investing in. Read the white paper, understand the project goals, team, and the roadmap. This just means that you need to know more about the project you are about to invest on. Read the resources available of the project, the white paper, the project map, the goal, and also know about the community, how active are the community, the engagement in the community, and know more about their social media handle to know how active they are. 6. Understand the market. Get comfortable with the market analysis tools and charts to understand trends and make informed decisions. This just means that you need to know about the trend, the tools in the market, just like know more about the technical analysis, the trading view, the dex screener, and many tools used in cryptocurrency space. You need to be familiar with it, to know the trend and get informed before investing on any project. 7. Be aware of scam. The crypto space is rife with scam. Be caution of the offer that seems too good to be true and always verify the legitimacy of a project. This means that you need to be careful before investing on a project. Know more about the project before investing because there are a lot of scam projects, honeypot projects around the crypto space. 8. Regulatory environment. Be aware of the legal and tax implications of trading and holding cryptocurrency in your country. Before investing in cryptocurrency, make research on the policies, legal and tax implications in your country before investing or going into cryptocurrency space. 9. Start small. Begin with a small investment to get a feel of the market dynamics without exposing yourself to significant risks. Before starting into this crypto space or crypto journey, please start with small. Don't invest everything you have in crypto space. It's a lot of risk over there. Start with small so that you be familiar with all the risk and everything in the space before investing big. 10. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the trends, latest news and development to make timely decisions. This simply means that you need to be updated. You need to be updated in everything you do. Join active community. Be engage more. Make use of your Twitter and other social media handles to get more updates before investing. Remember, knowledge is power in world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. See you guys on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you guys.